Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model GG0592O in color code 001. It's a red gold color frame. It has a black and red detailing on the side of the temples and has a double GG Gucci logo on the side. This frame is made in Italy. These are demo lenses stamped with a Gucci logo. Up here we have a velvet Gucci cases. The colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.